Okay, let's quickly discuss the geopolitical lessons which you should know from this US Israel Iran war. Lesson number one: geography makes Iran strategic. Why? Because Iran sits as at the crossroads of Middle East, Central Asia, and South Asia, controlling the routes between Europe, Asia, and Indian Ocean. So it has got the access to Persian Gulf, and proximity to oil and gas reserves actually make it indispensable in global energy security. Okay, lesson number two: empire legacy actually shapes modern identity. So, Iran's modern geopolitical behavior has deep roots. Centuries of empires, Safavids, Qajar, they created a strong sense of sovereignty and resistance to foreign domination. So, this historical memory actually influences how Iran reacts to external pressure today. Now, lesson number three: proxy network actually extend influence. So rather than just relying on the conventional military occupation, Iran projects power through militant groups and political groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon, Houthis in Yemen, Hamas in Gaza. So these relationships actually act as force multipliers without direct confrontation. Now, lesson number four: the Iran Saudi rivalry is a regional Cold War. Okay, so Iran actually competes with Saudi Arabia for the regional influence. This rivalry is both political and this Shia versus Sunni conflict as well, shaping the conflicts in the countries like Yemen, Syria, and then it influences the alliances across the Middle East. Now, lesson number five: that nuclear diplomacy is central. Okay, so Iran's nuclear program is a core geopolitical issue viewed by Tehran as sovereignty and as energy policy, but USA and the allies feel that it's a potential security threat. So agreements like 2015 Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action once limited enrichment and reduced tensions with the US. Now, lesson number six: that sanctions have deep economic and political impact. So US had a lot of sanctions on Iran which actually reshaped Iran economy for decades, reducing their growth, devaluing their currency, and increased reliance on informal trade and smuggling. This economic pressure actually influences Iran's foreign policy as well. Lesson number seven of geopolitics from this war, which you can learn, is that sanctions put Iran toward non Western partners. What does that mean? That sustained pressure from the West actually has driven Iran close to China and Russia for the trade, military support, and diplomatic cover. So these partnerships actually reduce Iran's isolation. Okay. Now, lesson number eight: that domestic pressures translate to foreign policy. So, Iran's internal protest and economic struggles have influenced its diplomacy. Leaders have shown sometimes actually moderated and pursued negotiation to ease the sanctions, while at other times doubling down on resistance just to reduce the external pressure. Okay, lesson number nine: that regional conflicts are part of a larger chessboard. Okay, so Iran involvement in war across the Middle East, be it Syria, be it Yemen, it is not random. Okay, it aims to safeguard the allies and open access to corridors to balance the US influence. Okay, so it actually creates remote leverage without direct occupation. Okay, now, lesson number 10th here: that global power dynamics are actually shifting. So, Iran's geopolitical role has been not shaped by just its own actions, but by shifts in the global power. So, US focus on Europe and East Asia, Russia's resurgence after Ukraine, and China's Belt and Road ambition. It all affects how Iran positions itself internationally. Okay, so sometimes exploiting rivalries between larger powers to its advantage is what countries do. Okay, so these are the 10 geopolitical lessons which I explained a bit. In case you found the English little tough or something, you can let me know. I will try to make it in an easier language next time. Or in case you found it helpful, be ready to use this information in your lecturate, in your GD, and in your interview. If you will talk like how I have spoken about the points, you are automatically getting selected. Hope this helps. Jai Hind.